Do people often look puzzled at you, or does someone ask you to clarify when you're speaking in English? Do you find it challenging to move beyond small talk and fully express your thoughts in English? Then this video is for you. The significance of English language in the corporate world is undeniable. In fact, a good command of English could be one of the biggest contributors to attaining success at the workplace. That's what motivated us to develop this course for you. We recognize that countless individuals just like you who are affected daily by the lack of fluency and confidence in speaking English. Our course is designed to equip you with that essential skill through building confidence, receiving personalized guidance, developing speaking habits, learning from experienced instructors, and moreover, joining a vibrant community for motivation and peer support. These are just to name a few. Through a combination of live classes, comprehensions, vocabulary sessions, and most importantly, practical exercises, you will gain the skills and the confidence to communicate effectively in English, making you well prepared for interactions in both professional and everyday settings. All of our classes are taught by highly trained and experienced instructors who have successfully guided numerous students towards fluency. So don't wait. Hurry up and sign for our spoken English course on our website today and elevate your learning to advance your career, all from the comfort of your home or at our center in Arumbakam, Chennai.